First, I would like to acknowledge the presence of our distinguished guests. Of course, the Japanese ambassador to the Philippines, His Excellency Mr. Kazuya Endo, and of course our friends and partners, Mr. Masaki Tsoroka, President and CEO of Tsoroka Japan, Mr. Kazuhiro Nomura, Country Chairman of Mitsui Philippines, Mr. Takema Sakamoto, Chief Representative of JICA Philippines, and Mr. Masando Hashimoto, the President of my favorite car brand, Toyota Motor Philippines. Of course, our friends from different Philippine government agencies, DENR, DOTR, LTO, LTFRB, BOI, MMDA, and of course our friends from the local government, no? Mr. Engineer Geronimo Jerry Sañez, we go way back, no? From DENR, Chief of Environmental Quality Management Division, Mr. Joel Bolano, Technical Division, Chief of LTFRB, Mr. Ronaldo Buluran, Acting Director, Manufacturing Industry Services Board of Investments, Director Josias Sikim Sham, Director of MMDA, Solid Waste Management Office. Thank you. Thank you all for your unwavering support, which has been instrumental in bringing this vision to life. We at Entsumugi are deeply grateful. No? Of course, we are headed towards the end of the event. Before that, I think I would like to share a little bit of our family's humble beginnings. No, so over 50 years ago, back in 1969, my grandfather, our lolo, started this journey by collecting recyclable scrap materials. No? So he will be going house to house, doing house calls, collecting scraps. No? And what began as a small junk shop has now transformed into a thriving business with a deeper purpose, one that aims to leave a lasting and meaningful impact on Filipino society. Now, as a third-generation scrapper, I am proud of where we came from and even prouder of where we are headed. Our aim is no longer just to collect, buy, and sell metal scraps, no? But of course, with the help of our partner, Mitsui, Tsoroka-san, and of course, JICA, by introducing the advanced technology from Japan, we want to evolve into a more technologically advanced and modern recycling company that contributes significantly to the Filipino and, of course, the world circular economy. So today, we are not just launching a new operation. No? We are realizing a partnership built on innovation, responsibility, and sustainability. Entsumugi was born from the collaboration of Mitsui, Tsoroka, JICA, and of course, Toyota, and of course, our family. These partnerships are aligned not only with our collective commitment to sustainability, but also with Japan's national efforts to tackle climate change. So we are very inspired of what Japan is doing right now. And of course, as a Filipino and a third-generation recycler and a scrapper, I want to introduce Japan's advocacy into the country. No? So Japan right now, no? Japan is striving to reduce its greenhouse gas emission by 46% by 2030, with the ambitious goal of cutting emissions by 50%. Having already achieved a 20% reduction, Japan is on track to meet these targets. Through the Ministry of the Environment of Japan, MOEJ, regional cooperation on climate change with ASEAN countries is being strengthened. This collaboration focuses on three key pillars: transparency, adaptation, and mitigation. Promoting co-innovation using Japan's advanced low, zero carbon, and resilient technologies. Kawaguchi-san, you look really good here, no? Okay, I got lost. I'm too distracted with your good looks, I'm sorry. Promoting co-innovation using Japan's advanced low carbon and resilient technologies, as I mentioned. We are all part of this broader movement, contributing to a more sustainable future not only for the Philippines, but for the region and the world. Okay, our collaborative effort, of course, together with our partners and my family's interest in recycling, this groundbreaking project goes beyond just creating a business. It is a collaborative effort with a clear mission to make a positive and lasting impact on the environment. With proper dismantling of ELVs, we are reducing waste, preventing hazardous materials from spilling into the environment, and ensuring more responsible disposal practices. This effort minimizes the risk of pollution, limits harmful substances from entering our ecosystem, and conserves valuable natural resources through recycling. So, of course, mining is a very good source of resources, but of course we cannot keep mining. We cannot keep mining. There's a lot of available material out here, no? So, so now that, with this strong partnership and collaborations, we bring you something truly transformative, okay? So what makes us special, no? Now, of course, I'd like to share a little insight. Of course, we have a lot of Japanese friends here. I would like to introduce and share a little insight into the Filipino mindset, no, that inspired this idea of launching an ELV dismantling operation. Here in the Philippines, no, we have a unique way of giving things a second life. We actually use ice cream tubs and turn it into food containers. We use cookie cans and we turn it into sewing kits. Soda bottles, we use it to store gasolines. Now, this resourcefulness isn't just about being practical. It is about maximizing value, saving money, and cutting down on waste. So we Filipinos hold on to things knowing they can still be useful in our daily lives. But at some point, we have to let go. That's where our effort and marketing campaign comes in. No? Just as we find new purposes for old household items, we can do the same for vehicles. Letting go of an old car isn't just the end of the road. It is the beginning of something more valuable and sustainable. We are here to turn endings into new beginnings, where old parts can find new purpose. So we say, let go and let garahe go. Now we proudly introduce Manila's pioneering end-of-life vehicle dismantler, Garahe Ko by Entsumugi. So, to avoid confusion, Garahe Ko is actually a brand of Entsumugi. Garahe Ko is our marketing effort. So this is how we will, of course, engage potential car owners, different agencies and institutions. So we're going to use Garahe Ko as our marketing arm, our marketing campaign. No? But okay, but let me explain how does Garahe Ko work. No? We've made the Garahe Ko experience simple and straightforward. We have our 6-step customer journey. So we start with appraising your vehicle, and of course, we're going to make a monetary offer. Once an agreement is reached, we handle the car's pickup, of course, payment, and proper dismantling, as you saw earlier. No? Finally, we provide you with a car retirement report. So I think this is actually not being done in the Philippines. So it's being done in Japan. So even though that it's not yet a regulation in the country, we would really like to adapt what Japan is doing. So this car retirement report is very important. No? Number one is, of course, the authorities will know that this particular vehicle is no longer around. So LTO, it's actually an aid also for LTO for record purposes. If they check their database, they will know that this particular vehicle is already properly dismantled. No? And of course, making the whole process hassle-free, and of course, legally compliant and built on trust. Now, our vision here at Entsumugi, we aim to lead the market with a dynamic and transparent customer service, exceptional care, and continuous process enhancement. We ensure the highest standards of recycling and disposal while promoting an eco-friendly environment that includes sustainable professional working dynamics. We also foster team morale and productivity by nurturing our employees' full potential and well-being while building mutual trust, accountability, and harmony through open communication. We know trust is key, which is why Garaheco is proud to be the first registered ELV facility in the Philippines. With the support of our partners from JICA, Soroka, Mitsui, and of course, Toyota, our use of cutting-edge Japanese technology ensures that the process is both efficient and environmentally responsible. When you choose Garaheco, you're choosing the future of responsible vehicle recycling. As we look to the future, our goal is to expand our reach, collaborating with, of course, auction houses, insurance companies, government agencies, and to manage more end-of-life vehicle responsibly. By working with these institutions, we aim to reduce carbon waste further and help the country adopt best practices from around the world. We believe Philippines is on the path to becoming a country where sustainable vehicle disposal is the norm, and Garaheco is ready to lead the way. As the country grows, so will the policies that govern responsible vehicle disposal. And as these policies evolve, Garaheco will be there, ensuring that every step we take leads us closer to a cleaner, greener future. Once again, I would like to express my deepest gratitude to our esteemed guests, partners, and friends who gathered here with us. As we embark on this journey together, I leave you with this thought. We are not just launching an operation or a dismantling business today. We are launching a movement towards sustainability, responsibility, and transformation. Let us all remember, let go and let Garaheco. Because every ending can become a new beginning. Maraming salamat po at magandang hapon sa inyong lahat.